Good afternoon, everyone.
Today, we're excited to share the newest features in Geo Home, making your home more connected, convenient. Geo has transformed digital home services in India over the past few years. Millions now enjoy ultra-fast internet, seamless video streaming, and top OTT applications powered by a Geo Home broadband and Geo set-top box. But at Geo, we believe in constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're excited to unveil the next evolution in Geo Home offerings.
Indeed, Akash. Building on the success of our home broadband and Geo set-top box, we are now exploring new horizons in home entertainment and smart living. Today, we are thrilled to introduce Geo TVOS, our 100% homegrown operating system for the Geo set-top box. Geo TVOS is made for your big TV screen, giving you a faster, smoother, and more personalized experience. It's just like having a custom-made entertainment system at home. Geo TVOS supports cutting-edge home entertainment features like ultra-high-definition 4K video, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. This means you get the best picture and sound quality, just like being in a movie theater, but in the comfort of your living room. And it's more than just a user interface. It's an entire ecosystem that brings together all your favorite apps, live television, and shows in one simple, easy-to-use system.
A few years ago, we introduced Hello Geo, the voice assistant that is now part of TVOS that lets you control your set-top box with your voice accessible using the mic button on the Geo remote. Hello Geo has quickly become one of the most loved features of Geo set-top box. Recently, we have made Hello Geo even smarter using the latest generative AI technologies, improving its natural language understanding and making it feel more human-like. Now, finding content on Geo set-top box is easier than ever. For example, just say Hello Geo, find action movies, and it will search across all your apps like Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, and more. And will show you the best options in a single combined list. No more searching through each of your apps one by one to find what you want.
Hello Geo can also launch apps with commands like open Netflix or find specific movies, shows, or music by name. Want to watch some sports? Just say play Star Sports and Hello Geo tunes in. No need to remember any channel numbers. Hello Geo can also control your Geo set-top box using voice. For example, you can say, Hello Geo, increase the volume, and it's done. With Hello Geo, it's like having a friend who knows exactly what you want to watch or listen to. Just ask and it's done.
What also sets TVOS apart is Geo App Store, a key feature of the Geo set-top box. A rapidly growing developer ecosystem is creating innovative apps designed specifically for Geo Home, enhancing every aspect of your lifestyle. Whether you want to stay active with motion-based fitness, explore new educational content with your kids, or shop directly from the TV, the Geo App Store has something for everyone in your family. Imagine practicing yoga with a real-time feedback from AI-powered virtual coach, or enjoying an augmented reality shopping experience that lets you try on clothes or makeup, all from the comfort of your couch. These are just a few examples of the smart apps our developer community has created for Geo set-top box. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our developer community for their continuous innovation and for enhancing the Indian home experience through their creativity and dedication.
And there's more. We're not stopping at entertainment and lifestyle. Homes worldwide are becoming smarter and more connected through the Internet of Things or IoT. Picture this. Your air conditioner turns on when you enter the room, or your lights dim as you settle in to watch a movie, or you get a notification when an unauthorized person comes to your front door. All these things without you lifting a finger. We believe that IoT is the backbone of tomorrow's smart Indian homes, simplifying routines, enhancing security, saving energy, and much more. And with Geo Home IoT solutions, we can make your lights, air conditioners, security systems, and all other appliances work together to make your life easier and smarter. Geo Home IoT Solutions is fully integrated with Geo TVOS, making your home more intelligent and responsive to your needs. And with our Matter compliant solutions, which is the latest industry standard. Geo Home IoT ensures that all your smart devices work seamlessly together and can be controlled from a single unified platform.
To unify these incredible features, we've developed the Geo Home App. The Geo Home App is your personal control center, letting you manage everything in your home, from your Wi-Fi to your smart devices with just a few taps. Because your security is our top priority, Geo Home App includes features like malware detection and guest Wi-Fi management, keeping your home network safe and secure.
These new features don't just make your home better, they turn it into a smart, seamless, and secure place where everything works just the way you want. From watching your favorite shows to managing your home security, everything is now easier and more connected with Geo. We can't wait for you to experience how these new Geo features will make your home smarter, more connected, more secure, and easier to live in.
Now, let's talk about Geo TV Plus and our vision for the future of digital entertainment. Geo TV Plus brings all your entertainment, live TV, on-demand shows, and apps together in one easy-to-use platform. With Geo TV Plus, you get access to over 860 live TV channels with all leading channels in stunning high definition, plus the best content from apps like Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, all in one place. And we're optimized Geo TV Plus for super fast channel switching experience. Switching between your favorite channels is now faster than ever, so you won't miss a single moment of action.
What makes Geo TV Plus really unique is how it combines content from over a dozen OTT apps, hundreds of live TV channels, and a vast library of on-demand movies and shows, all with a single login. You no longer need to juggle multiple apps or remember different passwords. Geo TV Plus handles it all. Also, a powerful recommendation engine offers personalized suggestions based on your viewing habits, making it easier than ever to find something you will love. And if you miss a show, Catch Up TV lets you go back up to 7 days and catch up on what you missed. With our upcoming Play Pause feature, you will soon be able to pause live TV and pick up right where you left off whenever you are ready. It's all about making TV work for you.
But that's not all. We're elevating digital entertainment with advanced interactive features. Imagine watching a live cricket match or the Olympics and being able to pull up stats, buy tickets, or switch camera angles, all without leaving the action. That's the power of Geo TV Plus.
Geo TV Plus is also designed to be a truly social experience. With integrated social features, you can share what you're watching with friends, join live watch parties, or discuss your favorite shows in real time. This is the future of TV, and we are excited to bring it to your living rooms.
Now, let's talk about AI. Our chairman introduced the concept of connected intelligence, where AI services and data are seamlessly delivered from the cloud over ultra-fast broadband, accessible anytime, anywhere, on any device. Today, we're excited to talk about a new service that we are developing that makes using AI as easy as making a phone call. We call this service Jiophone Call AI, which lets you use AI with every phone call. Geophone Call AI can record and store any call in Jiocloud and automatically transcribe it, which means automatically convert it from voice to text. It can also summarize the call and even translate it into another language. This allows anyone to easily capture and access important voice conversations, making them searchable, shareable, and understandable across languages, all with just a few clicks. Let's dive into the experience to show you how simple it is. Imagine that you are an important phone call. Geo has given a separate dedicated phone number to Phone Call AI. Just add the Geo Phone Call AI's phone number to your call, just like you would another person. Once you hear the welcome message, press 1 to start recording and transcribing the call. Now you can begin your conversation.
In the background, Phone Call AI listens and turns everything you say into text, quickly and accurately. And Phone Call AI will periodically announce that the call is being recorded, so everything is clear and transparent to all the parties on the call.
At any point, you can pause the transcription by pressing number 2. For example, if you are discussing another topic, Phone Call AI will periodically announce the transcription is paused again for full transparency. Simple, right? And when you're ready to start again, just press number 1 or press number 3 to end when you're done. And that's how easy it is to use Geophone Call AI. It's hassle-free, no apps needed, just a simple, reliable phone number to record and transcribe your calls with precision. Whether you're in a one-on-one call or a group conference or even just making personal notes, Geophone Call AI can be your go-to solution for seamless call recording and transcription. Another exciting aspect of Geophone Call AI is the inclusivity it brings to millions of our citizens who are hearing impaired. By converting spoken words into text, it ensures they can stay connected and not left out of any important discussions.
All your call recordings, transcriptions, summaries, and translations created by Geophone Call AI are safely stored in Jiocloud, so you can access them anytime. And with our Jiocloud welcome offer, Jio customers will get plenty of affordable storage with the highest privacy and security. Of course, Jiocloud isn't just for storing phone calls and transcripts. It's a full-fledged cloud storage service where you can securely upload, store, and share everything from photos to videos to documents and any other digital content. By keeping your data in Jiocloud, you are positioning yourself to fully leverage the power of connected intelligence, making your digital life smarter, more integrated, and more efficient.
Another example of connected intelligence is Jio Barat, our ultra-affordable entry-level 4G phone. Even though Jio Barat costs less than a 2G phone, it is packed with powerful digital services like UPI payments, video and audio streaming, and hundreds of live TV channels. This is possible because we offload much of the processing from the device to the cloud, delivering results seamlessly over our 4G network. These are just a few ways we're bringing advanced AI through connected intelligence to every Indian simply and effectively. We'll keep bringing you AI solutions that works hand in hand with our network and cloud, making life easier and better for everyone in India. And with that, let's invite our chairman back on stage.
Thank you, Akash and Kiran.